It is so hot here and the humidity is ridiculous. I feel like Michigan has started to fall from the top of the United States and head towards the equator. I don't know. It might be true. I haven't checked. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So for today's video, I have the pleasure of co-hosting a challenge video with three very lovely ladies. First, there's Denise over at This and That with Denise Jordan. Then Jessica from Measure and Mix. And finally, my very own sister, Chrissy, over at Hostedbykrssie. So this challenge is the Container Garden Challenge for summer of 2019. And what we've asked you to do, actually what Denise has asked you guys to do, because I have to apologize to her. I did not make an invite video for this. It slipped off my radar. Normally we all do corresponding emails to each other, and we didn't this year because the weather's been crazy and work schedules are crazy. So Denise has invited other YouTubers to collab in this challenge, and we are going to have a playlist so everyone can see what everyone has done for the challenge. This year I was inspired by some things that I saw on Pinterest because whew, Lord knows, Pinterest has been throwing stuff at me, those recommendations, and I can't turn the notifications off for the life of me. So I have seen a lot of stuff this year, and one of them really stuck out to me, and so I am going to be doing that for my challenge. And it is going to require me to have this very tiny watering can that came from Dollar Tree a couple of years back. I am going to spray paint it this beautiful hammered, I think it's kind of like a copper tone to go with my decor that's outside. So let's go out and check out what I come up with this. And I think I'm going to do a second one too. Something a little special that I have never tried before that requires a tiny bit of construction. Is my final project for this one. I love how it turned out. I think it is very close to the Pinterest one. I had several examples, and so I will insert some pictures so you can check them out. Now on to project number 2. And here is my container number 2. It is a wishing well. Right now it has a liner in it, and so I am going to be filling it with water, and I'm going to add a water plant that Chad got for me inside of it. But before I do that, I have a fountain that I'm going to try to make something special with for it. So here are the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need a fountain. I already had this one. I removed all of the extensions, so when the water pumps up, I will be using this clear plastic tubing. It's about 2 feet of it. I ended up picking this up at a pet supply store that carries fish. It's actually for aquariums. I picked up a spigot from Home Depot, and I like the old world style of it. I like the contrast in colors. I think it'll go well with the wishing well. And I also picked up some quick weld that is by JB Well. This sets up in about 6 minutes, so it will be quick. What we're going to do is we're going to take the plastic tubing and connect it to the spigot and connect it all to the fountain. my final project, and I have to say I'm in love with it. I have footage of it in the light. I know I'm filming my outro in the dark, but I wanted you guys to see how pretty it is when it lights up. It is the perfect accessory for this wishing well, I think. I was trying at first to figure out how to get a bucket that would pour continuously, and I probably could have did that, but when I saw on Pinterest that there was a floating fountain, I just knew I could do that easily, and so can you. Now, my one tip is to make sure the little holes that you put in the top of the tubing go inside of the spigot. If they are out at all, it will spray outwards. Inside, it will come down, and it works perfectly. I did not have to glue the bottom of it because it fits snugly around the actual fountain. And my thing is a container garden because the green plant is a water hyacinth. It is alive. Chad actually found one for me because there were no water plants anywhere near me, and I went to several different stores looking for them. The red is a fake water lily from Home Depot. So I have this next to my gazebo, and the other plant is on the other side there, and I think it is a perfect addition to our backyard space. I want to thank all three of my co-hosts, Denise, Jessica, and my sister Chrissy, for hosting this challenge with me. I will link all of their channels down below in the description box. Please go by and show them all some love, and make sure you go to the playlist and see what everyone else has done. I will have that linked down below as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And you best believe I'll be posting pictures of both of these projects over there. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.